did Grandma buy me a bird? Yo, Grandma! Grandma! Yo, Grandma, did you buy me a bird? Yo, hold up. The bird's this way. I GPS'd it. Oh my God! Yo, Grandma got me a bird! Yo, what's up? Yo, birdie, eat your food, bruh. Fuck. Eat your food. Can you eat the food? Eat the food! Yo, Grandma! You got me a broken bird! Grandma, look! It doesn't eat! Yo, Grandma, why can't I feed the bird? I was joking! I like the bird! Fuck! Oh my God! Yo, bird! Did you see how I just snapped her ankles, bro? Yo, she's lost! Fuck! Yeah, baby, eat up, buddy! Yeah, that's not the food, though. Yeah, you gonna manage that? What the fuck? This bird is fat as fuck! Okay, birdie, I'm about to count to 5 seconds, and if you're not next to me, you're about to get beat! Hold on, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5! Okay, fuck this shit! Ah! Yo! I saw Grandma's bird! Fuck! Oh, I hope Grandma doesn't come home, bro. She's home! Fuck! Grandma, I'll buy you a new one! Grandma!